Hello and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Shafiq bin Rosli, and as for today, I'm going to present you about secure file transfer using AES encryption. This project is to develop a secure file transfer system using Java and AES GCM. So now let me show you how to do it. And now this is VS Code Studio. So I'm using a code that have been given from the task that my lecturer gave. So now the first thing we need to do is to clarify the coding into a class. So by input java secure file transfer.java, it will turn into a class. You can see there. And after that, we just create a test for our encrypt and decryption method. As you can see in my screen, I create a text that type hello cryptography and name it into test.txt for my subject test. In the folder, you can see there is a pop-up test.txt. So everything is already prepared. We can begin our encrypt and decrypt method. Now, we begin our encryption method. First thing, you need to put in the terminal Java secure file transfer, which is the transfer system, and then input encrypt, then the file name, which is test.txt that we create just now, and after that the output file we name it as encrypted128.b. And then we input password and key size for verification later on. And for output file, we use encrypted128.bin to create our decrypted messages. And for input file, we create a file that we want to decrypt. In my case, I put recover128.txt for my decrypted messages, and then we need to put a password that we used during our encrypted and also the key size. Now you can see in the folder there is recover128.txt, and we recovered the decrypted messages. Next, I will verify the integrity of the file using the SHA-256 hashing algorithm. And first, I need to generate the hash value for the original file, which is text.txt. So inside terminal, I enter get-filehash test.txt-algorithm SHA-256 to get the hash value for the original file. Now you can see the hash value from the original file, which is from the test.txt. Okay, So now we compare it using the recovered message that we created before. Same like before, we just enter the same input get-file hash, but for this one, we use recovered 128.txt to get the hash value from the message that we recovered. Inside the terminal, the hash value from original file and decrypted file is the same value. That means there is no interruption or transfer during the encryption and decryption process. After that, I test 128, 192 and 256, and all of it received the same hash number. This is the strength of the system. This one is the limitation of the system. And for future improvement, so in conclusion, the secure file transfer system was successfully implemented using AES-GCM encryption. The encryption and decryption process was completed. Successful hash verification, we confirmed that the decrypted file was identical to the original file. Well, for future improvement, I think TLS and digital signature can be added to further enhance security. And that's all from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.